Hey guys, I've got some bad news. I just came home not too long ago and I was in town picking up my grandkids. Wait a minute. Leon got killed. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. But this is my new rooster. He don't know that he's going to be with my girls now. But my granddaughter JC named him TL. TL was my dad's nickname. So this is TL. He's going to be part of my crew now, hopefully, unless he jumps the fence and tries to get back with the other chickens. And then I told y'all about Ethel. I'm nursing her back to health, but she's hiding right now. She went in the coop. Let's go see if we can see her. She's walking really good today. But she's going to end up coming in my coop too, since I saved her life. And, whoa, you okay?
Yeah.
And, because, the other chickens are way mean to her. So she's going to be in my coop now. Let me see if we can see her. Oh, there you are, Ethel. You look. The first night she couldn't even get in here. She stayed on the ground all night. The next night she got on the little landing, and now she's back on the roost. Say hey, Ethel. Okay. So hopefully by the end of the week, she'll be able to go in with my chickens as well. Oh, I'm trying to lock her back up. Okay, guys, love you. I will see you soon.